In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the current Monopoly Go album season dates, review set rewards and star values, and collect sticker packs efficiently. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and type in a search for the current Monopoly Go album season dates. This is important because album seasons change over time, and knowing the active dates helps you understand how long you have left to complete sets, collect stickers, and plan how to use your resources. When the search results appear, look for a reliable and up-to-date source that clearly shows the start and end dates of the current album season. Take a moment to confirm that the information is recent, since older results may refer to a previous season. After you've checked the season dates, the next thing you want to do is look up set rewards and star values online. In the same browser, search for Monopoly Go set rewards and star values. This helps you see what each completed set gives you, such as dice, cash, or other in-game benefits, and it also helps you understand how much your duplicate stickers may be worth in stars. Knowing the star values is especially useful if you plan to trade in extras later or decide which stickers are more valuable to keep. As you review the information, make sure the page matches the current album season, since rewards can vary from one season to another. Once you know the dates, rewards, and star values, the next step is to start collecting packs consistently. One of the easiest ways to do this is by completing your daily quick wins in the game. These are usually simple tasks, and they can add up over time by giving you extra sticker packs and other useful rewards. Try to make this part of your daily routine so you don't miss easy progress. You should also claim available web links that offer free rewards. These links are often shared through official or trusted community sources and can sometimes provide extra dice, cash, or sticker packs. Be careful to use legitimate links only, and always avoid entering any personal information anywhere outside the official game environment. By checking the album season dates first, reviewing the current rewards and star values, and then collecting packs through daily quick wins and web links, you'll have a much clearer strategy for completing your Monopoly Go album more efficiently.